Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you, and I hope you had a nice and good day today. Markets were very flat. It was not moving much, and in fact Nifty was moving just 100 points. The fight was at around 18,500. Whether the bears want to, the thing is like whether the bears are able to close below 18,500 or bulls are able to close above 18,500, right? So that is what happened today. Market was kind of flat. Whoever had written maybe short straddle or even short strangle would have made good enough money, right? So going forward, we will see what is going to happen, and there is very important data in terms of US market, not only US market, even our market. So if you see the calendar, today time now is around 6:30 p.m. Yeah, 6:30 p.m. Core inflation rate month on month September, core inflation rate year on year September, and inflation rate month on month and inflation rate year on year has come, and it has kind of if you see the core inflation rate, it has reduced. If you see here, this one, last time previously it was around core inflation rate, September was around 4.3, it has come at 4.1%. inflation rate has come at 0.3%. Previously it was around 0.6%, and inflation rate year on year was around 3.7%, but it has come at 3.6%. Everybody was expecting core inflation rate month on month to reduce, but it is come at around 3%, the same level. And why is this so important, and why are we talking about the US market, is because people follow US market, people are focusing on US market rather than Indian market, right? In fact, today if you see the trading economics, let me go to countries and let me select India as well. India's core inflation rate also came today, but nobody is concerned about India's core inflation rate, right? Because even trading economics, if you see, they are not concerned. See here, industrial production year on year, inflation rate year on year for September month has come at 6.3. so last time it was not 6.3, last time it was around 6.83. it has come at 5.5%. and manufacturing production inflation rate month on month has will be out. It should have come, but they have not yet updated, so it's okay. It doesn't matter. All we are concerned is about the US market, and hopefully we are going to gap up tomorrow. That's what we have been doing for last 2 or 3 trading session. We are super bullish in terms of Nifty or Banknifty. We are super bullish, right? So today also it does get gap down, but bears were able to close above 19,700, right? 19,782, and this reflects our commitment, or whatever I have said in the last few days. We may retrace, we may form a head and shoulder pattern, and that is what is happening. Let me show you briefly. Head and shoulder formation is happening. If you see here, I will tell it again and again and again. This is left shoulder, this is head, and we are in the formation of right shoulder. Maybe we will go till how much? 20,000 levels, then we will retrace and come back on the downside, is what I am expecting, and I have been telling this for a very long time, and I am sure this is going to happen, right? And in terms of, not only in terms of Nifty, in terms of Banknifty also same thing is happening. If you see here, there is a doji pattern. Maybe we will go another we are at 44,600 levels. Maybe we will go around maybe 45,000 levels, or even 45,500 levels. Then we may come on the downside, is what we expect in terms of Nifty and Banknifty or whatsoever, right? So still we have little gap, and the market may go on the inch towards higher side, then we will come down. That is what we are expecting. We are expecting some reversal, but not now, maybe after few times, right? Maybe later or sooner we are going to see a gap down, right? And in terms of our P&L, we made a profit of around 10,030 rupees. So till now we have made a profit of around maybe around 8% or 9%, and not 8%, sorry, maybe 6% we have made profit till now. Still we are having around 11 trading session. We will see how things pan out. If the markets are very kind and if the markets are not moving, even if it makes two-way, three-way move, it is not an issue. But if the market makes violent move here and there, it is going to be very hard for us to manage, right? Anyway, we will see how things pan out. And did you notice one particular thing that let me know on the comment section below, that we feel even though our expiry date trades are working, positional trades are not kind of working. We are finding it difficult. Market is gapping up, gapping down, so on and so forth, and we are finding it very hard for positional traders or for our positional trades to make money. So last 2 months we are fighting like hell, and in spite of fighting and doing all kind of things, our positional trades are not working at all. Let me know if this is the case, this is the same for you also, whether you are finding it hard to trade or whether you are finding it hard to make money in positional trades, is what I want to know from you. Let me know on the comment section below. Apart from that, I don't see any other big news. And the US market, let me refresh this. US market is kind of flat now. When our market closed, it was up by more than how much 100 points. It was more than up by 100 points. Now Dow Jones is hardly in the green. Same applies to S&P 500 and Nasdaq, and even FTSE is all flat. Europe is also flat, and even US market is also flat. So we will have to wait till how the US market spans out, or how the US market closes. Then we will come to know whether we are going to gap up or gap down. And let me tell you one hypothesis. Even if we gap down, let's say, hypothetically speaking, let's say US market is in the red or European market closes in the red, then following that US market is also closing in the red, I don't see any reason for Indian markets to gap down. Maybe it will gap down, maybe 25 or 50 points. I'm talking about Nifty. It will gap down, but I don't expect the market to gap down around 100 or maybe 150 points. I don't think it is going to happen. I firmly believe still we have buffer on the higher side. Still we will move on the higher side, and we may touch 20,000 in terms of Nifty, and we may touch 44,000, 45,500, or even 46,000. If the market touches even 46,000, I wouldn't be surprised, right? So we'll see how things pan out, and we will see how markets are going to go. I strongly believe, and I will tell you one more thing, don't try to short this market. Try to sell some put option. As I told you yesterday, markets may go on the higher side, and maybe you can make some money while selling put option. That is what I believe, right? So I hope I have summarized everything. And last but not least, don't short this market. Try to go long in this market. Sell some put option. You will make money in this market, right? I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.